Hi, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to tell you about how to use the law of attraction for choosing a life partner. Yes, the law of attraction is a powerful tool that can be used to attract positive things into your life. When it comes to choosing a life partner, using the law of attraction can help you to find someone who is compatible with your values, goals, and lifestyle. So, here are some steps you can take to use the law of attraction to help you find out your perfect match. Before going to that, I'm requesting everyone who is seeing first time, please do subscribe my channel and click on bell button for future notifications, and also follow me on Instagram as Manilakantam. So, let's get start the steps how you can use the law of attraction. Get clear about what you want before to start looking for a partner. Take some time, think about the qualities that are important to you in a partner. What kind of personality traits to do you want them to have, and what values should they share, and what lifestyle do you envision having together, and also get as specific as you can about the person you had like to attract. And the step 2, visualize your ideal partner. Once you have determined the qualities you had like in a partner, spend some time visualizing them, closing your eyes and imagine the person you want to attract. Imagine the conversation that you will have together, the activities you will do, and the life you will have together. And the third point is focus on positive thoughts. Like, when you are using the law of attraction, it is important to stay positive. Avoid thinking about the things you don't want in a partner, and instead of focusing what you don't want, this will help you to attract the right person into your life. Take the action, that is the fourth step, because the law of attraction can help you find the ideal partner, but you also need to take action. Like join a dating app, go to events and activities in your area, and put yourself out there. Taking action will help you manifest your perfect partner very faster. So, by following these steps, you can use the law of attraction to help you find the perfect life partner, find the right mindset and action. You can easily attract the perfect person into your life. So, this is the way that you have to use the law of attraction. Follow these 4 steps and continuously try to stay in positive mind and avoid completely all the negative thoughts and negative assumptions, so that you will find a perfect life partner. So that's it, guys. Hope you people have loved my video. If you have liked it, please do give a thumbs up button, and also share with your friends and family who are looking for the partner in their life. And I requesting, please do follow us on Instagram also. Thank you so much. We'll meet you with the next video. Bye bye. Take care.